If you find yourself locked out of your Discord account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Discord login page. Go to the Discord login page on your web browser or open the Discord app. Enter your email and password to attempt logging in. Step 2. Check your email. If you cannot log in, check your email for any messages from Discord regarding suspicious activity. Look for an email that may contain a link to secure your account or instructions on how to proceed. Step 3. Use the password reset option. If you still cannot access your account, click on the Forgot Your Password link on the login page. Enter your email address to receive a password reset email. Step 4. Follow the password reset instructions. Open the email from Discord and follow the instructions to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access, go to User Settings and enable two-factor authentication 2FA for added security. This will help protect your account from future unauthorized access. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Discord account and enhance its security. Always remember to keep your account information secure and monitor for any unusual activity.